You know, let me tell you something all about Lucille. Her name is Adela. She wants you to clap your hands. She's 8 years old with power, happiness, wonder, love, and now stronger. Whoa! She's super amazing. She's fantastic. And you know what? She's way to woman and got some more dancing moves. Right now, whoa!